Welcome to Cat Inspect, the digital inspection app for your entire fleet. In this video, we'll go over how to complete an inspection. The Cat Inspect mobile app can be downloaded to your smartphone or tablet from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Log in with your Caterpillar user credentials. First, start by locating the asset from your fleet list, which is your default home screen. You can find a specific asset by scrolling through this list, scanning the asset's QR code, or by searching the serial number, asset ID, or model. Once you've located the asset, tap it to open the Asset Details page. From the Asset Details page, you can start a new daily inspection, or you can use the Forms search button to find custom forms or Caterpillar-defined forms. All assets have a daily inspection set as their default form. This can be changed by tapping the gear icon and selecting Choose a new default form for this asset. To continue with the daily inspection, just tap Start Daily Inspection. For this form, there are 3 sections to complete. First is the Customer and Asset Information section. The asset make, family, model, serial number, service meter unit, and service meter value are all required fields and marked with a red asterisk. The inspection cannot be submitted until all required fields are filled out. Because this asset was chosen from your fleet list, most of this information is filled in for you. Data can also be entered manually or by scanning the asset's QR code or CAT pin plate. Optional fields include asset ID and location, your business information, and additional emails. Type in a location or use the GPS icon to pull in your current coordinates. All information is auto-saved as you enter it. Tap the General Info Comments button to move on to the next section. Here, you can rate the general condition of the equipment, add photos, or take a video of the equipment to include with your inspection comments. You can return to previous sections at any time by hitting the back arrow or by clicking the Previous button in the bottom left corner. Hit the Next button to move to the walk-around section of the daily inspection. Using Quick Rate, you can scroll through all inspection questions and provide a response from the same screen. Or, you can rate questions one at a time from the Questions Details page. The Questions Details page is where you can add photos, videos, and comments, or view help content if available. A red or yellow rating will require a comment, photo, or video of the issue. When you've completed all questions, tap Done. From the Inspection Summary screen, confirm all required fields are filled out and then tap Submit. On the Submission screen, you can add general comments not covered by the inspection sections. Then, choose your title, sign your name, and tap Submit. A yellow icon on the Submitted tab lets you know the inspection is syncing. A successful sync will have the word Completed in green text under Form Name on the Submitted tab. After you submit the inspection, a report will be sent to the default email address and any other email addresses you've added under the Customer and Asset section. You can also view completed inspections at catinspectweb.cat.com. In addition to starting an inspection through an Asset Details page, you can also launch an inspection by tapping Inspections from the Quick Access menu bar at the bottom of the screen, and then select the yellow Create Inspection button or the plus symbol in the top right corner. Use the QR code button or the search icon in the top right corner to scan in or manually enter a serial number or asset ID. When you scan a QR code or search by serial number or asset ID, the app will retrieve the inspection history for that asset. Review the lists of reports for that asset and use a previous inspection as a template. When using this feature, all asset information will be auto-filled. After you select Create Inspection, you'll choose your inspection type. On the first page, you can find forms created by Caterpillar and by your organization. To hide Caterpillar forms, tap to enable Custom Forms Only. Search for forms by equipment family or by serial number prefix. Choose the form type from the list, and then select the form name for your inspection. Tap the star next to the form name to save it as a favorite for offline use. You must be in a connected state to search for inspection forms. Inspections can be submitted while in offline mode, but they will not sync until the device is connected again. Complete all sections of the form and submit. Now you are ready to complete an inspection using Cat Inspect. Check out our other Cat Inspect videos at cat.com/catinspect for more information on how to use the app to optimize your equipment.